In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get, equipped, and use emotes here in Rivals. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. If at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, to get emotes first, open up the shops down in the main hub and you can find emotes either in the shop itself just by scrolling down a little bit, or you can also go into the season pass and get emotes in this section as well. It really is up to you. You can also check the daily shop. There's a bunch of different options to purchase emotes, as you can see, and you can get these for Robux, or you can also get these for keys. It really is up to you how you get them, but essentially once you unlock an emote, you just need to back out and go to the weapons tab, just like so. Once you're in the weapons tab, select career and then select emotes, and you can go ahead and equip the emotes in this section just like so. There is a lot of emotes that you can go ahead and scroll through, so just keep that in mind. To use the emotes in game, all you got to do is use the T key, but obviously this is the default key and you might have changed this as well. You can actually confirm whatever you change it to by just going to your settings and then going into your keybind section and finding emotes on here. If you did have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.